Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel, the Eaton Squad. My name is Addy. For today's video, we have some good news. President Bongbong Marcos has formally lifted the public health emergency on COVID-19. Details coming right up. So I know probably some of you have already watched the news. Some of you have probably watched other vloggers who have vlogged about this, that President Bongbong Marcos has finally and officially lifted the public health emergency on COVID-19. So what does this mean? We will go through this declaration, we will go through this executive order, and what should we expect that now that the public health emergency on COVID-19 has been officially lifted. So President R. Marcos has formally lifted the state of public health emergency declared due to the coronavirus disease 2019 or COVID-19 pandemic, Malacañang announced on Saturday. So this actually came in over the weekend. So I am just doing this announcement. I wanted to make sure that all official announcement from the Philippine government is really sealed and there's no follow-up and all that stuff. But this is it. Marcos on Friday issued Proclamation 297 lifting the nationwide declaration of public health emergency due to COVID-19. Presidential Communication Office PCO Secretary Cheloy Garafil said in a statement, all prior orders, memoranda, and issuance that are effective only during the state of public health emergency shall be deemed withdrawn, revoked, or canceled and shall no longer be in effect according to the proclamation. So let's take that up one by one. It says all prior orders, memoranda, and issuance that are effective only during the state of public health emergency shall be deemed withdrawn, revoked, or canceled. So what are these during COVID-19? For example, the mask wearing. So they have lifted that order, or they have lifted that issuance during public health emergency. Wearing of mask now is optional. It's no longer mandatory. You can see everywhere that nobody is wearing mask anymore. There are still people that still wears masks. For example, I was sick for a few days. I was wearing masks because I don't want to infect others of what I got. So that's understandable, but it's really up to you. It's really your choice. It's your option if you want to wear it or not. With this declaration or proclamation by the president lifting the public health emergency of COVID-19, masks will not be worn mandatorily. So that is one. Number two, I know you guys have been waiting on this. The Philippines, before this proclamation on the lifting of the public health emergency of COVID-19, unvaccinated need to show negative antigen test within 24 hours or negative RT-PCR test within 48 hours. Though they did not really say anything about this, but going by the proclamation by the president, this should be revoked, this should be withdrawn, and this protocol should be canceled accordingly, according to Proclamation 297. I am waiting on the DOH or the IATF because they said they are going to release the final report for this lifting of the public health emergency of COVID-19. But like I said, going by the proclamation that the president has formally signed, the antigen test should be canceled already or should not be asked anymore for unvaccinated passengers. So we shall see. Check with the airline also because this is effective already. So airlines should be updating their protocols for travelers going to the Philippines. So this proclamation was posted last Saturday. So airlines or all agencies should have received this memo already on lifting of the public health emergency for COVID-19. So all agencies, no more barriers and stuff. I know those have been long gone. Those business establishments that still ask to wear face mask and all, that should no longer exist. Now, I know everybody is also waiting on the eTravel because we all know eTravel was part of the protocol during COVID-19. But in my opinion, this is just my opinion, guys. I don't really see them removing e-travel at all. Why? Because e-travel is the replacement of the paper-based form that you guys used to fill out when you arrive in the Philippines. This is the arrival form. And to those flying out, the departure card. So this is the replacement. If you guys can remember, the Bureau of Immigration is very vocal about it, that they are going digital. And this is why e-travel has been created. There might be changes to the e-travel steps, like the health declaration, because health declaration is part of the COVID-19 protocol. So that might be omitted on the steps for e-travel. We will check one of these days if that has been removed. Or they might announce that e-travel no longer exists, that they might go back to the paper base. No one knows yet, but we shall see that Monday, hopefully, that they will officially post what really is the protocol going to the Philippines now. That is it going to be just like it is before the pandemic, that all you need is your passport and your ticket when entering and leaving the Philippines. So don't worry, guys. I will keep you guys posted on that. But so far, this is our news. This is actually good news. This is actually a positive move from the Philippine government lifting the public health emergency of COVID-19. I know other countries have been doing it, but hey, better late than never, right? So we shall see more of the updates on this on the travel protocols to the Philippines. I know some of you will not agree. That is completely fine. That is understandable. But to me, I don't really see them removing e-travel. I've already stated the reasons why, but hopefully if they don't remove the e-travel, they would shorten it, they would make it more easier, because right now it's really easy to register with eTravel. But hopefully with this proclamation from the president, they will shorten it some more, like 1 to 2 to 3 steps, because of these changes of the protocols to the Philippines. So this is good news, everyone, to those who's been waiting till this travel restrictions to the Philippines be lifted. It is now lifted. It is officially lifted. The president has already signed the proclamation that COVID-19 pandemic is now over. So this is our quick travel update. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, concerns, or inquiries with regards to this video or in any of our travel related videos, please comment it down below and I will try to get back to you guys as soon as I can. Or you can direct message me in our Facebook page, same handle, the Eaton Squad. Again, guys, thank you so much for the continued support and trust to our channel and to our family. I hope to see you on our next travel update. Stay safe, stay healthy, and God bless everyone.